Hello, astronomy students. This is Mr. Stockbridge. I'm going to give you a very quick demonstration on how to use Deep Sky Stacker to complete your lab activity, stacking images together from SLU. This is very similar to the video that SLU provides and that they produced, but just slightly different. So here we go. On your screen, you see the Deep Sky Stacker software already opened. And all we need to do in order to get this lab going is take the images which you've already downloaded from SLU. You should have personalized them, put your name, date, all that information on them. As you can see, I have right here. And let me scoot that to the side. All we're going to do is drag and drop those two files into this lower section down here. You're going to see the pop-up window. These are light frames, so we're going to click OK. There are the two files ready to go, loaded for whatever we're going to do with the software. Next step is just to go up here on the left. We're going to stack the checked pictures. Believe it or not, although there are lots of different things available in here, we are not going to mess with any of those. We're going to use the default settings that are already put in here, and we just need to click OK. And we're away to the races. You see it's doing everything. It's registering, it's counting pixels, it's aligning stars. This process is both going to align the images because they are not always identically framed. Sometimes the stars will have shifted just a little bit from one image to the next, and this is taking care of that. And here we go. Here's our stacked image. This happens to be the Andromeda Galaxy. And although this isn't the greatest example, you can see that here is the original image which we began with, and you see the core of the galaxy, and you see a little bit of the disk here. You see just a little bit in these two neighboring galaxies, but here in the final image with stacked exposures, we see a lot more of the disk. We see much more going on here and up here. So this is an example of how to stack images in Deep Sky Stacker to reveal more detail than you would get in a single exposure.